Hey TikTok fam, welcome to Aremyhair. Here are our services for those experiencing hair loss and other hair problems. Before providing any services, we take the time to sit down with our clients and recommend the best solution for your needs. Find a solution for your hair loss. Get your free consultation to determine the perfect hair replacement system. Once you've found the perfect solution, our services don't stop there. We also provide regular maintenance to ensure your hair looks flawless and natural. We believe that everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their skin, and our goal is to help you achieve that through our services. Don't forget to follow us for more tips and transformations.